I'm going to be doing something so exciting in this video. Comment down below if this is something you would like to do. Let's go. Hello everyone, you are joined me at 11:17 on the 14th of February, Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to those who celebrate, or happy Galentine's Day. Today I am doing all the prep for my first ever event held at my house that I'm hosting on Sunday, which is 2 days away. Today, before I go over to Kai's, I have lots to do. I have 8 cakes that I need to bake, so I'm going to be baking them all today, and I'm also going to be making all the buttercream today that I need to for the workshop. The reason why it is so late, I would usually start earlier, but I went to the gym a little bit later this morning, and I then went to Aldi, bought £70 worth of baking ingredients for this, and then I had to go drop off my car. Okay, the first lot of cakes are in the oven. They've got 6 minutes left. So that will be 3 cakes. So I need to do the same thing I've just done again to make another 3. So then that'll be 6. And then I just need to do another 2 after that to make 8. So that is my next move. It is now 12:45. I'm just about to take, these are still hot, these out of the tins, but I'm going to cover them all with cling film and then they can go into the freezer, and then I'll take them out Sunday morning. All the cakes are now baked. This is the last 4. I'm also going to prep for the buttercream tomorrow, as I have a lot to make. I think maybe 4 times my normal batch. I will see you guys in the morning for day 2 of prepping. It is day 2 of my workshop prep. I have just started on doing all the buttercream, so I've got all 3 mixes going at the same time, so I can go down and show you now. Hello everyone, it is day 3 of prep, and today is the day that I'm hosting my first baking workshop, mother and child workshop. At the minute I am just cutting all the cakes. I got them out of the freezer this morning and I'm just cutting the tops off and then cutting them in half. This is what we've got going on now. We've got all the cakes lined up, so they've been cut. It is now nearly 12 o'clock. Brooke had all of her friends over last night and they're all helping, like taking all the mixes over, and Kai's helping like take the tables and that. So that's really nice for all of them. So they're doing that whilst I'm in here prepping. Everyone's getting stuff ready over there. They'll be making the buttercream themselves, stacking, crumb coating and decorating the cakes. So they will be doing a lot, and we have 3 hours. I'm getting a little bit excited and a little bit nervous. Kai is helping here. He's just put all the piping tips in here. I'm just going to separate all of these into the bowls so they're all prepared for when they get there. We are nearly ready. It is 1:44. We've got 15 minutes until it's meant to start. This is my outfit. I've just got on my jeans and then my Lily Bakes jumper. We're just having a bit of food, some halloumi. And then I'm going to go over in a second. I am about to go in, so let's go. My name's Lily, I am 18. This is my first proper class like this. I've done a few smaller ones. I do some after school clubs. I've done it with all my family as well. I do social media, YouTube, Instagram, literally every platform I'm on. And this is my hobby and my business as well. It's what I love doing the most. So I thought I'd share that with all of you and inspire. I absolutely love to inspire the younger generation because that is sort of what I am as well. But yeah. That's me. Because this was baked in 2 different tins, you have 2 bottoms of the tin. So I like to do the bottom and then the 2 middles and then flip this one on top. So in the middle, I angle the offset spatula down.
And leave it to defrost fully before
Yeah. So I'll put the cake in the freezer basically straight away from once it's cooked. Put it in cling film, put it in the freezer. Oh. Push it into the cake, but then if you push it too hard, it then like breaks the cake. Let me know if you want any help with it though, okay? And I'll come over. Trying to do it like my hand's the turntable. And then go again. It's basically just a case of going around, smoothing it, going back in. 1/3, and then mix it up on a low speed, because otherwise it's gonna create a massive cloud. It's 250, which is 1 butter, to 420, so it's just under a whole packet of 500 grams like this, and easy to work with if you let it sit on a really low speed for a while. Similar to how we did the crumb coat, go back and forth and just cover the whole cake like this. Try and still keep this flat. Spread it all out again. Just put a little bit of pressure and then pull like that. And then do that the whole way around the cake. Put a little bit of pressure again on this side and then this side. Lily bakes. There we go, like that, well done. Just while we're nearly finishing, I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone for coming today, and I hope you all enjoyed it. Show your cake. There you go. It just slightly doesn't fit, but it's just about.
It's awesome, wasn't it?
Good. There we go.
Oh, thank you so much.
It's all right. And I have some bits for you here.
Oh.
Some marshmallows and a
Lovely.
certificate. Oh. We have just finished and it was so amazing. Everyone was so lovely and they all really enjoyed it. This is my cake that I made. I accidentally put my finger through it, so that got a bit ruined there, but I just put Lily Bakes 2025 and it was so much fun and we definitely learned a lot from it as well. But if anyone's watching this who came, thank you so much for coming. And yeah, now it's time to do the mammoth clear up of everything that we used. We are done, and I'm going to show you the behind the scenes of what we've done today. We've all just sat down for a roast. Dad's cooked it and timed it perfectly to have it just as we finished. But Nan's doing some washing up at the minute.
For a change.
This is the state of the sink, everything else along here. And Kai's eating his roast. This is my roast here. And everyone else's. And that is a wrap on my baking workshops. I did 3 this week. I did a mother and child workshop and 2 baking workshops, and I'm all finally done. And that is the end of the video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos just like this one. Bye guys.